welcome to an unboxing that I am super excited about. I mean, this doesn't really have to do with this video, kind of, but like not really. This guy, the maintenance guy, came to do some work here in my apartment, and he comes into this room of mine where I've got like my display wall and stuff, and he's like, wow, got a lot of toys. I'm just like, yeah. Like, I don't know what to say to that, because it's true. And now I'm gonna add to those toys. I am so excited for this series of Unicornos. I have got 10 boxes here. I know this is just 3, but I can't hold all 10, but this is the Holiday Unicorno, and it says Series 1 on there, which makes me think there's gonna be more in the future. I was not super excited about the overall collection of Unicornos for the latest series. What is it? Series 8, I believe. I still have them and I will be unboxing them soon, but it just didn't do much for me. There were a couple that I wanted, but that was about it. But this holiday series, I would like them all. Some more than others, but yeah, all of them would be nice. Basically just have some holiday themed. These are pretty Christmas themed if you ask me, but there are 10 possible. 2 of them are chasers, but you can see we have got Evergreen, Snowflake, and Holly, all of which I would really like. Snowflake, if you can kind of see, there's a little teeny tiny snowman in there. It's because it's a kind of clear Unicorno, and there's a snowman suspended in the head of that one, but I would really, really love to get Evergreen. That's one of the ones I want the most. And then this next row with the 2 chases, there's Jingles, which I would love to get. There is Noel and Naughty or Nice, which, I mean, if I can get either of the chasers, great, but if I had to pick between them, I would choose Jingles personally. And then this next row, we have got Ginger, Angelica, and Andromeda. I would really love to get Ginger and Andromeda. And then last but not least, we have got Peppermint Sticks down at the bottom, which I would also love to get. So I am very excited, as I said, to open these up and see which ones I get. I got them from Barnes & Noble. I feel like I tend to have pretty good luck when it comes to that, so let's see if I just jinxed myself and if I will never want to order from Barnes & Noble again. Just kidding, I love Barnes & Noble. I will order from them again, but these are true blind bags, and yay, we've got a little checklist here, so that is always nice. At least I like it. And let's see. There, a different kind of rippy tab. I think I see blue. Yay! Oh, so cute. Oh, I love this one. So this is little Andromeda. So cute. This one, I don't think I knew that this one was a translucent one, and then it's just got gold glitter suspended in it. It's a nice kind of cornflower cerulean blue, and then just has gold stars and shooting stars all over its body. Gold tail, gold hooves. I mean, overall just so cute. This one to me, I mean, I get why it's in the holiday series, but at the same time, this one, I think out of all of them, this one could really like kind of stand alone. Like, it doesn't need to be considered holiday themed, but either way, oh, I love it. All right, it's always nice to start off on a good note, even though, I mean, the first box is always a good one because you can't get a duplicate on the first box. But let's see who we have next, my friends. See if we can get someone new. So excited and happy. Oh my goodness, she is precious. Oh my gosh. And there's a little, I think I knew this, but there's a little face, a little happy face on the star on top of his head. Oh my gosh. So this is Evergreen, right? That was its name? Yes. It's a nice bright green, and this one's supposed to look like a Christmas tree, basically. I love how the mane is tufted out to look like the spikes of a Christmas tree drawing type of a thing. I love the little ornaments coming off of its mane and also the one on its little tail. I love the glittery garland that is wrapped around as a collar and a headband and whatnot. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute, and the little ears have little stars in it. Just, God, So cute. So far so good. I'm waiting to be let down. Oh, but this is so good so far. Oh my goodness, I am just so happy that I at least got 2 of the 5 that I really, really want. Wow, okay, Cassie just massacred this box. Wow. Let's see who we get next. What do you guys think? Am I gonna get a duplicate or... I'm not gonna cry. I am not gonna cry. But like, I'm definitely tearing up. Can you guys tell I'm on my period? Oh my gosh. Who am I kidding? This happens more often than I'd like to admit. We got jingles, you guys. I am shocked. I am shocked. I don't know what else to say. We got the little elf one and it's so cute. So precious. I just love it. Oh my gosh, I love that the jingle bell on its hat even has like the little bell detail on there, you know, the little opening slit. I love it. I love the little freckles on his face. I love his outfit, the little buckle on it. I love that the hooves kind of look like little socks, like he has little white socks on, and I feel like I can't complain. Even if the rest of these, like the 7 left, are all duplicates, I don't feel like I can get mad. I mean, I think I could get a little upset about that, but like, oh my goodness. I'm shocked. I never, especially when I'm just getting a bunch of like, you know, sorters like this, someone just picked these blindly in a warehouse. You never know if it's gonna be a bunch from a bunch of different boxes or whatever. That's why I tend to like to get my blind boxes in store so that I can get them all from the same box, so that I know there's at least a little bit higher of a chance that A, I'll get a chase, and B, I won't get as many duplicates. But like, I can't guarantee that when it comes to like doing these online orders, so I never expect a chase. But oh, I feel so lucky. I feel so lucky. Oh, I can't even get mad that there's a paint defect on this. Okay, so I got the angel. What was her name? Angelica. Makes sense. She's supposed to be a little angel unicorno. She's got little, what are they called? Bass clefs, treble clefs. The thing at the start of the line of the music. She's got those on her cheeks. She has got music prints on her little cape thing. She's got a halo that I think was kind of supposed to look like kind of holographic in the colors that they chose. It's not holographic at all, but it kind of looks like one of those, what are they called? Where you crack it and then it's the light up glow stick, a glow stick. She's so sweet. She's so precious. She's a little angel. She's a little angel. Oh, my friends. Oh, I feel like it's all gonna go downhill so quick and so fast. I mean, we shall see. I hope not, but I'd be lying if I said I don't feel really lucky and happy and excited right now. We got Snowflake, and this one is even better in person. So there you can see the snowman suspended in the head of this unicorno. It is so cool. I love when Tokidoki does that with their figures. I love that the horn on this one is orange like a carrot nose on a snowman. I love that just the head and then the tail are the transparent, translucent parts. I just think it looks really cool. Oh, so are the ears. Very cute. And then the rest of it is just white with some silver snowflakes all over it and a little green and red scarf. I mean, it's precious. It's adorable. I love it. It's very winter and I'm just so happy. Ugh, how could I not be? I tell you what, I'm so scared. When these go so well right off the bat, I just feel like the rest of the video, it can't be good. But that's my pessimism talking. Clearly, I don't know what I'm talking about because so far, so good. I have half the collection. That's great. And now we shall see I see pink. You guys, I don't understand, but I'm so happy. I got the candy sticks one, or peppermint sticks. Excuse me, but oh, she's so cute. So she is supposed to be a candy cane. Unicorno, yes, and her mane and her tail and her wings all have like a candy cane twist kind of a thing going on, but instead of the typical red that a candy cane comes in, you know, it's in this bright hot pink, and she's got little swirlies on her cheeks, she's got little gold stars all over her, and is kind of Cupid-like, I don't know, with the candy canes making the heart with the wings on the side of her, and then she has got a little candy cane with a bow in her mane. So cute. I mean, just you guys, I don't understand. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Like I said, I have been the second I saw this collection, I just knew I wanted this collection. Like, it's so good. It's so good. And I can't wait to see what they come up with in future series of this holiday collection. Okay, the time has come, my friends. It was gonna happen. We have got our first duplicate of the peppermint sticks Unicorno, and you know what? That's okay. Like I said, I have been very lucky thus far. I don't know, like, the chances, I don't know what the probability would have been for me to get all 10 of these in these 10 boxes. Like, it would have been insane for that to have happened. But, you know, you never know until you try. I tried, it didn't happen, but okay, so these last 3, if I could get Ginger, Noelle, and Holly, hey, that's great. Out of those ones, I think I want Ginger the most, the gingerbread one, so let's see if I can do that, or if, like I said, we're going downhill from here. Blue, yes, okay. We've got another Andromeda, and as I said, that's okay. You know, I knew these duplicates, or I had a feeling that these duplicates were going to happen. It was more likely than not. So, 2 boxes left, my friends. Let's see what we can get. Ooh, pressure's on. Not really, but I am curious to see who is inside. See who we can get to add to our collection. We will not know until we open it up. No, I knew it. We're all downhill from here. We've got another Angelica. Womp womp. And now the final box. What do you guys think? I mean, I feel very lucky. Like, if this is another duplicate, so be it. I mean, I don't want it to be, but at the same time, like I said a million times already, I kind of expect it. So let's see. Can I get Ginger? Shut up! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness! The little gingerbread man. Look at him. Look at him. He's so cute. So this is Ginger. It's supposed to look like a gingerbread cookie type of a thing. So cute. The color is perfect. I love the icing on top of the mane. Just white with some red and green sprinkles. I love the little gingerbread man. I love the little shapes. They look very drawn on, like the star and the snowflake and stuff. A little bow on the front of the chest. I love that the mouth, like, it just looks like a gingerbread man. Outline around the eyes. It's so cute. I love the little red and green on the wings, like, so cute. Oh my goodness. I am just tickled, you guys. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I got 7 different ones out of the 10 that I ordered. So the 3 that I didn't get, the Holly, Noelle, and Naughty or Nice, I mean, we'll see how much people are selling the Naughty or Nice one for on eBay, but I think I should be able to find Noelle and Holly on there, and hopefully they won't be too expensive. I do have a little holiday giveaway that I can do for somebody, so that's exciting. So one winner is going to get 3 of the these holiday Unicornos, you will be getting peppermint sticks, Angelica, and Andromeda. So good luck to whoever wants to win that. As always, that giveaway will be a Rafflecopter link down below. Super easy peasy to win if you want to, or super easy peasy to enter. The winning easy part, it depends. Some of my giveaways get a lot of entries and some of them really don't. Sometimes it's like 50 people. So sometimes you've got a 1 in 50-ish type of a chance. So sometimes you've got a really good chance of winning. So definitely let me know which of these was your favorite. Were you as shocked as I was for all of these little Unicornos? Or to see how lucky I was with all of these little holiday Unicornos. Like I said, let me know which one was your favorite, which ones would you have liked to have gotten, all that good stuff. I love hearing from you guys in the comments down below. You can also let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!